Hey everybody, my name is Ray. Today I'm checking out Weymouth Furnace. Now this was a furnace built in 1802 and it was used to process bog iron, making iron tools, munitions, all kinds of stuff. It was even used to make munitions in the War of 1812 and it's still standing today, so I'm going to go take a good look at it. So it's all right here in this little park. Looks like we got some foundations there. We have the spans of an old bridge. And then we have the furnace itself. Just look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Looks like down here, you can see still some iron around this piece of wood. So that must have been something here. Let's take a good look at this wall. Let's walk up this way through here. Oh, look at that. So this building wrapped all the way over here too. So this must have been a really large building when it was still standing. You can see the walls over there. We have these here. And then here we have the furnace stack itself. Let's go get a look at this. It is amazing that this is in such good condition as it is for being 200 years old. Wow. Just look at that. This place is it's just breathtaking. Another thing that's really cool about this park is there's a natural artesian well that flows right here. The sign says I can't drink from it though, because if not, I would try to. Another little curiosity about this place is you can see where the tree has grown around this chain here. Isn't that crazy? Here's a sign that gives you some interesting information about the park. And so there was also a paper mill at this site, which opened after the ironworks. It's fenced off, so I can't go to it, but I am gonna try and give you a good look at it. You know what, let me try this. It's really cool. So down back here we have more of this paper mill. Look at that. So this was Weymouth Furnace in Atlantic County. Truly breathtaking sight. If you like this video, please subscribe, join me on my adventures in the future. Thank you for watching.